Before we dive into specific parts of the basics of MQL4, I would like to introduce what a forest of all trees looks like. The figure on the left is the structure of a computer program, and the figure on the right is an example code that mimics the figure on the left. What's shown in both figures contains all the main MQL4 topics in this course. Despite their complexity in appearance, all programming languages mainly consist of three parts: functions, variables, and statements. I would like to call them the trinity of programming languages. They may appear differently depending on programming languages, but their status as a trinity of programming languages is the same and will never change even in the future. All you need to remember now is to have a rough idea of what they do in computer programming. Think of a company initiating a new project. Each project requires a number of tasks, and each employee is assigned a task. Since all tasks are primarily handled by employees, all companies have an employee-oriented structure by default. Computer programs are similar to companies. In this regard, a function is an employee in a company. Each program has a number of tasks to do, and each function is assigned a task. Since all tasks are primarily handled by functions, all programs have a function-oriented structure by default. To do a good job, each employee mainly needs four basic work skills. The first skill is good note-taking of supervisor feedback, schedules, or any kind of data that easily evaporates. Functions have this skill with the help of variables. The second skill is logical thinking for improving output quality. Functions have this skill with the help of conditional statements. The third skill is an efficient and fast process, particularly for repetitive tasks. Functions have this skill with the help of repetition statements. The fourth skill is good cooperation with other colleagues. Functions have this skill with the help of other functions. Good programming skill is a mastery of the trinity, and we will get the details of each of the trinity throughout the course.